Hello friends, in this video I will show how to restart a Windows XP computer. So click on this corner, left side corner. Now here you will see written text turn off computer. Click on it and you will see a new dialog pops and there is the option restart. So just click on restart. So this is the basic way to learn how to restart XP computer. I am using Windows 11. Method is simple. Method is same and simple. Click on this left corner. Now here click on turn off computer. Then just click on restart. Thanks for watching.